Hey there. I'm Alex, and I never thought I'd say this, but I'm becoming a personal trainer. Just a few months ago, I was stuck in a dead-end job feeling lost. Then I discovered NPTI Florida and their High Flex Learning Diploma program. At first I was nervous. Me, a personal trainer? No way! But NPTI has been training personal trainers for over 25 years, so I took the plunge. The program was challenging, but I learned so much about fitness and helping others. The moment it all clicked was when I helped my first client achieve their goal. Now, I'm a certified trainer with amazing income opportunities ahead of me, and you can do it too. Enroll today and start your fitness career tomorrow. Trust me, NPTI Florida changed my life, and it can change yours too.